No words needed. So, if it's alright with you guys, before we slow it down just for one song, I need a break, I'll be honest, it's me, it's not you. This song was the very first song we ever put out online when we first come out. It's available on Spotify, some of you probably know that. If you know the words to this, please sing along. This song is called What Happened. Stuck in a state now, is it too late? I think we're way over our heads, oh, is it a change now? We'll just forget it, bury it in ignorance. If we let this go, I don't think there's hope. We all just cope with the change. Is it all too late? Just accept our fate, as we all hold some of the blame. Sing it! What happened to the good old-fashioned face-to-face and the table manners? Change ways and it all comes crashing, dragging the rest of us down, yeah. That's good. I want to hear it even louder next time. We can do this, Manchester, okay? Don't mind it all, don't try it all, and see what we're losing. The rise and fall, the lies we're told, and how we abuse it. If we let this go, I don't think there's hope. We all just cope with the change. Is it all too late? Just accept our fate, as we all say.